Ashay, what did you do, my guy? Hey, Big Brother is naughty, right? So Big Brother has been pranking them, and I hope Tandega now sees that it is normal to do pranks in the Big Brother house. In actual fact, they are allowed. Just that with the Tandega prank, it got out of hand because of the character person or the type of person she is actually. And I don't know why Melly did not tell Tandega, would say, calm down. There's no need for this to lead into a fight. Pranks do happen in the Big Brother Mzansi house, not even Mzansi, but in the Big Brother house. Okay, so Ashay, Big Brother pulled a very nice one. Big Brother decided to play a conversation that Ashay had with someone. However, they decided to blur the voice. So the voice of that person, we could not hear who is that person. So it was like anonymous. But Ashay, we could hear. Then Ashay was telling that person that Uliema is such a lazy person. Uliema is not a wife material. He wouldn't even think of marrying Uliema or dating Uliema. Yeah, now his girlfriend is a clean person, Otanika and stuff. So, but he played that on a radio, right? So all the housemates went and listened to that conversation. Uliema was so angry to the point that they did not know how to address it. Now they did their wager presentation, and I'm happy that during their wager presentation, they they pulled it. They pulled it. If you haven't watched the wager presentation video, I did upload it. Please watch that presentation, guys. Please, please, please. Best presentation ever in the Big Brother Zanzi seasons. All seasons. This was by far the best. Now during the pool party, we know that all housemates know that during the pool party, the music becomes louder. So when housemates have conversations, we can't hear what they're saying. So I think they know that, and they opt to have conversations during the that, and they sometimes go into the house because they know all the cameras are faced or paying attention to the pool party. So there's no way Big Brother will remove the cameras from the pool party and go into the house. Hence, we do not see the kiss that happened between Didi and Q that time because they decided to go inside the house. But however, housemates were able to see it. Hence, they narrated that after. Now, Ashay had a conversation with Liema, and I could see that people are sitting down, people are not dancing. Trixie was having conversations with Bravo sitting down. You can see that it was hectic. Tandega was explaining some things to Ramona. You could see they were hectic. Now Ashay and Liam, and I was telling someone, I was like, no man, what is happening? It's not right. Why do they have conversations during the party night? They know. But Big Brother pulled another one. Big Brother decided on the screens to lower the music and unmute Liema and Ashay. Now Ashay was addressing the matter to say, I'm so sorry. I know I'm such a bad friend. I'm such a bad friend because I gossiped about you, and of which it's not okay. And I know that you are more angry because of the person that I had the conversation with. Because now Ashay had to disclose who was that person, and Ashay was saying that person was who's this, Melly, right? And Melly and Tandega and whatever and Liam, they're not getting along. So Liam was like, you know what? Even if it's a good or bad thing, having a conversation about me to those people, I will not tolerate it. And West Part, it was bad. And I would have loved for you to confront me and tell me that. I thought you were my friend, you were a person I trusted. Ashay apologized, guys. Ashay apologized to the point that even after that conversation, Ashay, you could see that he was trying to dance with Liema, hold Liema, give Liema hugs. It was like, Ashay, Shem, you're taking this too far. Like, you apologized, and she says she takes the apology, right? If she didn't take the apology, it's her problem, and it's not a you problem. You did apologize, right? And there's nothing wrong, actually, that Ashay did. Housemates do have conversations about other housemates. Even Ashay, some people did have conversations about Ashay to say, He's pretending to be a good guy, what. So people do have also Liema, there's people that she has spoken about in the house. Who else are you gonna talk about in the house besides people that you see every day when you wake up? They the last people that you see when you sleep, and you've spent so many days with them, you've seen the good side, you've seen the bad side. Chances are you're gonna have conversations about those people. Seeing that also in the Big Brother house to have conversations about the outside. It's not allowed or to mention names about people who are in the outside. So child gonna talk about ourselves, right? And Big Brother pulled another one where he called on the red phone, and Didi picked up, and he was like, Didi, I need you to do a prank for me, and if you're not gonna do that prank, there's gonna be a punishment for you. If you fail in that prank, there's gonna be a punishment for you. That prank was that Didi must hide shoes, Liama's shoes, Dawn, Melly, and other housemates, right? And Ashay and what so not. So Didi did hide the shoes, right? Because obviously the punishment was that if you don't do it, or if you get caught, you're gonna wash the housemates' clothes. So Didi had to be quiet because now she had to go to the diary rooms and do whatever and whatever. And now the housemates wanted to know, especially Trixie, to say, is it why is Big Brother calling you? Is there something bad? Did you report us? What's going on? And Didi could not disclose, and the housemates were panicking. You could see that there's tension in here, But yeah, I hope Didi pulls this one, because also if she pulls it off, she's gonna get 500 rand from Zaka Pay, right? Who's calling me now?